Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how to enable microphone on WhatsApp iPhone. To start, go to Settings. From Settings, tap on Privacy. And then you'll see right there, Microphone. Just tap on that. As you can see right here, WhatsApp microphone is disabled. So now what we're going to do is to go back to Settings and then tap on Screen Time. And then click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Just scroll down and then click on Microphone. Now tap on Allow Changes. Now you can turn on the microphone on WhatsApp. That's it! Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe.